Hello guys, happy new year and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a very short video. I figured since I haven't been here in a long time, I'll just come on here and do an introductory video before I start posting for the year. So this video is going to be really short. So hello, my name is Onyinye and I make mostly beauty and lifestyle related videos. I do book reviews and lifestyle related videos sometimes. So if you are new here, you're welcome. Look around, watch my previous videos, and if you like the kind of content that I upload, please hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. So for 2019, my goal for this channel really is to be consistent, which is something I've struggled with since I started my YouTube channel. So I've not really been consistent for a long stretch. So my goal this year is to be consistent. So my goal this year is to be consistent with uploading videos. So I upload videos on Tuesdays and on Fridays at 12 p.m. I'll try to do that every week for the rest of the year. I hope that I'm able to, but it's difficult because I have a 9 to 5 that I juggle with this as well. So but I'm trying to be consistent in building a community both here and on Instagram as well. So if you are not following me on Instagram and on Twitter, you should. So my Instagram handle is umeeonyinye, the same thing with my Twitter as well. I'll leave the spelling in the screen and also my link in the description box, so you can go ahead and follow me on there. When I'm not on YouTube, I'm usually over there on Instagram or on Twitter. So see, for the type of content I plan to create this year, I think I'll just stick to things that I've always done. So beauty, hair tutorials, book reviews, what else, and just like discussions that helpful lifestyle discussions that I usually have once in a while. So I think I'm going to stick with those, but I'll be incorporating some exciting things into my content as well. I plan to do a bit of traveling. I don't want to say a lot because I'm trying to be realistic, there's no money. So I'm trying to do a little bit of travel this year, and I plan to vlog a little more than I've been doing. So my content will remain the same, but I'll try to improve in quality, in consistency, and I would also do a few Q&As here and there because I've never really done one of those here on my channel before, and I would like to do that so that you guys get to know certain bits of me that you do not know, and I would like to know you guys as well. So if you have any particular questions that you want to ask me, I think, should I do like general or should I make it topic based? I'm not sure yet, but ask me questions. I would answer in the comment section, and if it's something that would be too long for comment section, I'll probably film a video about it, and I will do a few Q&As, personal, work related, social media related, just things around my life as well, so that you guys will get to know me personally and I'll get to know you as well. We're trying to build a community here, so I don't want it to be a one-sided thing all the time, and I don't want to be pushing out only the content that I like, which is what I do with my videos. Actually, the things that I like to do is what I put out there, hoping that some people would relate to it and like to do it as well. But I want to incorporate you guys into my content so that we all enjoy it together. So keep an eye out for my content. As I said earlier, I will try to be consistent with it, and I hope that with your support I'll be able to do that as well. That's basically it for this video. I told you guys this video is going to be very short. I plan to grow my channel to at least 5,000 subscribers this year, and I'm hoping that with quality, consistent content I'll be able to do that, and I would need your help as well. So share my channel with your friends, your family, your enemies, share it across your social media platforms, and encourage your friends to subscribe as well. It will mean the whole world to me, and let's see how we do if we would get to 5,000 or even more at the end of the year. So that's what I plan to do this year. I hope that you guys will join me on this journey, and I'm looking forward to creating fun, amazing, educative content for myself and for you. I would like us to have a discussion in the comment section. So tell me, how was 2018 for you, and what are your plans for the new year? It's still a new year technically, so what are your plans? Tell me, I would love to know. Share it in the comment section. Let's hold ourselves accountable, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.